Good morning or good day, everyone. I'm sorry that my vlogs haven't been technically that amazing lately. I've been so busy that I've had no energy to really focus on that, and I've still wanted to document things that are happening. So sorry. I'm sorry for that. I try to focus on that more and make you better vlogs and make myself better vlogs, because the reason that I make these, people have been wondering why I even make vlogs, but for me it's some kind of an outlet right now and it makes me happy, and I'm super into YouTube, and I just really want to see how I grow and how I develop my skills and how I do life now compared to how I do life later on. I'm going to brush my hair and then I'm going to a store to look at cameras so I can provide you with better quality. This quality is, it's not, doesn't satisfy me, and I'm sure it doesn't satisfy you. So and it's a day on which everyone seems to be wearing coats or jackets outside, and it's only August. What? That's so weird. So this is the Western Harbor. This is where I got on the ship and went to Tallinn in the spring, if you remember. I'm here because I want to know if I can pay the camera monthly, because my situation is so random right now. It's so cool, yeah. And it's going to be huge, and there's a new school, a primary school that they're setting up. Yeah, it's cool. Also, I love this lighting. So this is actually my dream camera. It's so pretty and it has good qualities to it, and it's not that obvious to carry around a white camera, but it's quite pricey, so I don't know. I'm waiting for Elisa. She's coming here to help me and to hang out, and we're going to see Daddy today also. Family day! And I absolutely fell in love with the pen, or the Olympus pen. Maybe I'll get it as an early Christmas present or my 30th birthday present, which is actually in February, but I don't know. She got a new phone. And she got a new camera. My dream camera. I took it. Hopefully I don't regret it. Hey, so what happened was that Ella and I had dinner and then we took a nap together. My bed is full of stuff because I just emptied my wardrobe and everything's on my bed instead of it being on the floor, because I hate floor robes, but I often use them. I'm going to organize some papers and files and do the dishes, and then organize all the stuff that's on my bed. I find it this picture is, the image quality is so great, but I have to really extend my arm to be fully on in the shot, so I'm sorry for I'm still getting used to this. because I'm a perfectionist, I think, when it comes to traveling. I actually printed out a program of a Hillsong conference. It was a small conference for the weekend, but I still printed the schedule, and I printed directions on how to get from one place to another. And I may have gone overboard. Like when, for example, Hedda travels with me, she always knows that I know where to go. So. Some clutter and all the camera bits, and here's some clutter, and there's something, but there's a garbage bag full of paper trash. I'm going to empty it to a recycling, so don't you worry, eco people. Definitely getting somewhere. Let's continue with the bedroom. I feel like I need to explain this. No. Children, don't let your rooms be like this. Hello again. This is sometime later, maybe an hour later, and my bed is empty. I just need to change the sheet because, because there was a lot of stuff on it. And then what I have left is cleaning my vanity, which is a nice chore. I love it. I'm so happy I did this. Everything in my closet is super organized. And then I have my ballet shoes and my jump rope here. And yeah, it all feels so good. I love it. All right, let's continue. Hello friends, it's the next day and I'm in Hedda's room actually right now, and here's what I used as a super tripod because I wanted to shoot a bit from like a downwards angle. So here's my great grandmother's old jewelry box and a super high ladder. So I've been staring at this lens for the last 2 hours or so. I shot it like I made the video again and again for maybe 3 times or 4 times altogether because I wanted it to be smooth and dynamic and all that. And I just hope they consider me for the job because it would be my dream job. And And now I feel like my brain is fried after doing those applications. I have no idea how I'm going to... Sorry, am I in focus even? Okay. So, I don't know how or what I should do now before Suhe. I tried to do my hair, but it turned out crappy, so that's stupid. But I know that I need food. My brain is not working. What I'm doing now is I'm going to do the dishes, go somewhere to eat something, and then I'm going to go to Suhe to church to meet my friends and to hear a good message and good music. So right now I'm just uploading the application video and watching the Youngs. They have a vlog too. There's the Youngs are a Scottish family who are also Christian, and they have 2 kids, and it's lovely. And yeah, give this video a like if you liked it, and remember to subscribe, because only 25% of the people who watch these, like every 4th person who watches this, is actually subscribed. And I need to add lipstick. I hope you have the loveliest day. I've had a brilliant Sunday so far, and I will see you next week. Toodles.